Every recycling story begins where consumption leaves a trace. Every journey starts with careful attention.
Preparation defines efficiency long before machines engage.
Transport bridges the farm and the factory.
Verification ensures order before processing begins.
Even waste demands precision from the first touch. Scale begins with organization. Even the smallest particles are washed away for purity.
The first transformation is always the most dramatic.
From orchard ground to industrial purpose, movement turns intention into momentum.
Distance compresses when systems are aligned.
Industry gathers what nature discards. Control rooms translate human insight into machine precision. Entry marks the handover from field to machine. Now, the factory begins to measure value.
Measurement transforms raw volume into controlled input.
Every pathway is designed for flow.
Precision begins before the first shell touches the floor.
Human coordination still sets the rhythm. This is where recycling truly enters the machine. Every process starts with controlled entry. Cleaning is the foundation of quality recycling.
Water and motion reset the material.
Human eyes still protect the system. Only the right material moves forward.
Uniformity begins with controlled breakdown. Force is applied with purpose, not excess.
Movement sustains momentum through the system.
Precision replaces brute force. Now the material is ready to be engineered. The final refinement ensures quality in every batch. The raw shell is no longer what it was. Heat reshapes the raw into something reusable. Transformation begins when moisture is removed. Heat reshapes what nature built. Air becomes a tool of precision. Now the material is ready to be engineered. Control defines modern recycling. Every gram is measured in motion.
Consistency is engineered, not assumed. Consistency is engineered, not assumed.
Technology doesn't have to look futuristic to be precise.
At this point, the system runs itself.
Perfection is a matter of careful separation.
Consistency guarantees that every batch is identical.
Human oversight remains essential at the final stage.
Human oversight remains essential at the final stage.
Every batch is verified before it leaves the production line.
Precision instruments confirm what human eyes cannot.
Precision instruments confirm what human eyes cannot.
Size consistency is critical for downstream applications.
Accuracy is verified at every step.
Even the smallest impurity is identified and removed.
With quality verified, the material is ready to leave the lab. Accuracy in packaging ensures safe transport.
Final packaging preserves all the work done inside the factory.
Orderly storage maximizes space and efficiency.
Distribution completes the industrial cycle.
And this is how modern factories produce durian shell recycling material from start to finish.